Hey guys, Will here. Welcome to episode 2 of Bukkit plugin tutorial. This is following up on yesterday's video, which was a MOTD command. We're then gonna make it so if you have a certain permission, you can do this, but if you don't have that permission, it will not allow you to do this. And this is very simple. It will take around 3 minutes to explain it, show you, set up all up. And that's why this is not the only video coming out today. There will be another video out, probably about events or something. But in order to do this, we can get rid of this. Okay, so we're gonna do if, and then make sure you do a exclamation point. In Java, that basically just means if not. So if p dot has permission, and we're going to say test.use. We're going to p.send the message check_.read. You do not have permission to use that command. And then we're going to return this as true. So basically what this is going to do is if the command is MOTD, and if they are a player, it will check if they have the permission, and if they do not have this permission, test.use, it will send them a message saying you do not have permission to use that command. So then we're going to want to do if p dot has permission, test.use. So now we're checking if they don't, and that's already done. And then inside here, inside these two brackets, is where if they have permission, this is what's going to be called. And we're just going to do p.send message color.gold. You have ran the command with the permission needed. And that's about it. And we're not done, but I'm just going to quickly explain what we did. We checked if they have permission to do MOTD, which is test.use. If they don't, they get this message, and if they do, they get this message, which is you run the command with the permissions needed. And we can do more stuff. We can, like, if they have a certain command, they can set them as game mode, etc, etc. But for now, we're just gonna do this. Now you have to register permissions in the plugin.yml, which is kind of irritating. But just go down and type in permissions, test.use, brackets, not brackets, colon, then down, space, defaults, ops. So that's saying we're registering this permission to ops, or other people in a permissions plugin that have that permission, which is all you need. Make sure if you don't know how to do any of this, if you're completely lost, watch yesterday's video. It was how to do the unenable and undisable methods, and then a basic command. Right, let's test this. Start. Okay, so it's loaded, it's on. Let's head into the game. Okay, so we're going to do such DOP or Lathian. So now I'm not off. I don't have permission to do anything. We're going to try and do MOTD. And it says you do not have permission to use that command, but if we go ahead and opt me, so Lathian, and then we try to do MOTD. It says you have run the command with the permission needed, and you can do this for basically anything. So like on a block break event, you could say if they don't have a certain permission, and the block is a leaf, they can't break leaves, or if they can't damage sheep if they don't have a permission, or they can't be damaged if they have a permission. You can do a lot of things with permissions. Permissions is basically just blocking them from using commands if they aren't a certain level, you know, like if you make a punishment plugin, you can do so much. So stay tuned for today's later video, which will probably be events, maybe inventory. I don't think we're there yet. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.